What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add any song into Spotify. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your Spotify app in your mobile phone. After going to Spotify app, what you need to do, you have to click on the profile icon in the left top corner. After going to profile, you have to click on the settings and privacy option in the last option right here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I am going to show you so that you can add any song into your Spotify app in your mobile phone. So after going to settings and privacy, you need to find the option called local files. This is the option I am talking about. You have to click on this option called local files. After clicking on this option, you can see here is a option called show audio files from this device. If this option turned off just like this, you need to turn this on. If that option is turned on, this option will show you a green signal just like this. Okay, so after doing so, you are ready to go to add any song into your Spotify mobile app. So this is how you can add any song into your Spotify mobile app. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.